The LPPS-22 series of linear shock travel sensors from the Sensor Connection are easy to install, professional, absolute position measurement devices that are designed to deliver accurate and reliable shock travel measurements even in extreme heat and high vibration applications. These ruggedized linear potentiometer sensors feature rod ends for ease of installation and can be easily mounted next to the shock absorber to provide feedback of shock and tire performance. The LPPS-22 series is the go-to choice for professional racing teams, R&D test labs, and enthusiasts. Additional motorsports applications for the LPPS-22 include measuring linear displacement or position changes in automotive components such as accelerator pedals, throttle position, and transmission linkages. The LPPS-22 series of professional shock travel sensors are in stock now and ready to ship worldwide. For additional pricing and technical questions, contact us now at thesensorconnection.com to speak to an experienced application engineer. The Sensor Connection, performance and reliability is our business. Thanks for being on our team.